Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to quickly dive into this AI productivity tools, which is Hyre. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Hyre, Hyre is a smart productivity tools designed to simplify staff scheduling, shift management, and team coordination. It's perfect for business that wants an easy way to manage hourly workers without the hassle of spreadsheet. The interface is clean, setup is very fast, and it's mobile access, which makes it scheduling flexible and for everyone involved. However, Hyre isn't ideal if you need deep analytics or full recruiting features. It's built for managing teams than hiring them. So, for small to medium team wanting efficient shifting planning and better time management, Hyre delivers great value with minimal effort. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.